Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a meat seasoning, or you can call it a red meat seasoning. I'm going to be using bell pepper. You can call it sweet pepper. I have some carrot, fresh thyme, onion, some garlic, and also I'll be using some black pepper in it. I'm going to use a bit of nutmeg, cloves, parsley, and I'll be adding some sea salt in this. Just to let you know, if this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Thanks for tuning in. Do remember to like, share, subscribe. Definitely leave positive comment. So what I'm going to do now, to start the blending process, I'm going to use my small Robocoupe. See how it goes. Otherwise, I'll use my stick blender. You need these to get smaller. Well, this I don't need to chop it up, but I can. But these I'm going to start cutting them up. So I'll be starting with the onion. I'm just going to cut it a bit smaller to help the blending process. So this you can use on your curry goat or your red meat, whatever you want to use it on. So I'll be using probably about 2 onion for this. You can put this on your pepper steak. Next up is the carrot. So with this, just cut it however you want to cut it, but make sure you cut it a bit smaller because it helps the blending process. So for this, I use about 3 carrots, about small size carrot. Next up is a red pepper or bell pepper, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to take the seeds out. And you're going to repeat the same process. Just go ahead and chop them up. I'm just cutting around this because it has this part on it, so you don't need that. Next up is our garlic. What you can do, just press them. You don't even have to cut them up. So next up is our fresh thyme. Go ahead. Next up is a blending process. I'll be using this small, like Robocoupe. And it's personal preference. I can use a stick one, but we'll see how this goes. Sure, it will work all right. So I'm going to put the parsley, cloves, nutmeg. I'm going to put it in. Fresh thyme, just to get it in. So what we're going to do, we're going to start adding some ingredients. So here we have some onion and some garlic. Just go ahead and put some of this stuff in. So I will have to blend this probably 2 times. So with this, I'm going to add some sea salt over this. some black pepper. I'll be adding some olive oil in this. And this is optional. I'm just going to add some balsamic vinegar in it. It's personal preference, but it gives good flavor. I'm just going to add a little to this. Then we're going to pop the lid on. So this is a stick blender, and this is how it works. I'm just going to clip this in. Once you clip this in, you can even hold it in your hand like this, just to give you a preview about it. This is how it looks. So I'm going to add some more to it now and repeat the same process. So that's a final blending now. And that's the end product. Look how beautiful this is. So with this now, I'm just gonna remove this in the middle. You can even get yourself some containers to put this in. So what I'm gonna do now, because I'm gonna use some of this right now, just gonna put it, the rest in a bowl. Just pour it out in a bowl. Then when I finish with them, you can just bottle this up. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Definitely leave positive comment. That's your meat season ready. Lovely meat season. Delicious. You can even put it on your lobster. Thanks for watching. Peace be.